In my last video we could saw how easy is it to create a dynamic page from a static page. Only with 3 steps: uploading, click a button, and choose the language. And maybe you have to translate it into the database table, the sentences with your tools, or automatically if with a script if you have one. But you could do the steps easier together if you use a JavaScript loop. Here in this script there's a JavaScript loop in. If you start a script, for example with Firefox browser or something else, then you see and look into the source code, then you see there's some SQL queries into. For G here there are path and the file name and something is put out of the MySQL table on the table site statistic. So this site must be interpreted by a script, by a PHP script. Here we got the script running. This must be interpreted again over the SQL script, SQL web script, and the result is slideshow or for the preparing for dynamic sites. Here you could see it's always the word debug. Here you make a pause a break so that we have time to look at it. Here's the question mark debug, and the button is already pressed, so it runs and makes the static site. Let's take a look into the steps. What's happening? Question mark. So let me make a break. So at first we see some statistic information about the position where the script is running, and here we see the first select. It's only takes text into a variable name called a, and the a is used later. And here we got interesting select. It takes path and file name from the table site statistic, and here we see there are 31 results, and the JavaScript takes these results and calls every site and starts the translation into dynamic site. So then I only need to put up my static sites. Here we got the impression page, and I only could put some text into. For G here the same again. I save it, the result, and I only need to upload it. Okay, and automatically the impressum got the new word, and it's working for different languages. Italy, I try. Yeah, it's an English version, but it's working principally. Present. Yeah, that's working. It's the German one. So, and if there are some, you could translate. If there's a mistake, you could translate that into the MySQL table.